Hi, this is Paul with insectsforsale.com. I want to talk to you today about gel caps and how to use them to store your insects and to display your insects. This is a gel cap right here. It's real easy to use. I like to use gel caps for very small or brittle insects. All you do is take it apart, and then I use a small paintbrush to move tiny insects around, and then you just kind of push it inside. And there you go. You've got it inside. Put the lid on, and it's fully protected. Now what I do when I'm shipping something small like this, I'll then put it inside of a labeled envelope. That's the triangle shaped envelopes that I use. But you can also use these to pin, because instead of using a pinning board where you'd cut a piece of triangle piece of paper, a glue board, and put your insect on that, I like to put them inside of these because I can take them out later if I want. I can see all sides of the insect where a glue board will block part of it, and they're easy to pin. All I have to do is take a pin through it, stick a pin through it. Here's one that I pinned just a moment ago, right here, and it works real good. In fact, I'll pin another one to show you. To pin it, all you have to do is hold it still and steady and place that pin straight on through. Pins through very easy. And then I like to use a pinning block to put it at the level that I want it, so that all the insects in my display case are the same basic level. And they come in a pack of 30. Usually I put more than 30 in. But they work real good for storing insects, either short-term or long-term. My name is Paul Nafsker, and this is insectsforsale.com. Thank you.